enjoying the program so far. My name is Srividya Ishwar and I'm the Director of Expressions. Our presentation this afternoon is a medley of dances featuring the celebrations during different festivals in India. Though India is often and justly described as a land of many religions and innumerable languages, it might as well be described as a land of festivals. Every day of the year, there is a festival celebrated in some part of the country. Some festivals welcome the seasons of the year, the harvest, the rains, the full moon. Others celebrate religious occasions, the birthdays of divine beings, the advent of the new year. A number of these festivals are common to most parts of India. However, they may be called by different names in various parts of the country or may be celebrated in a different fashion. Every celebration centers around the rituals of prayer, seeking of blessings, exchanging goodwill, decorating houses, wearing new clothes, and not to forget the most interesting of all, music, dance, and feasting. We begin with the Gangaur festival that started in Rajasthan, followed by a dance that welcomes the rains, Baisakhi, the harvest festival of Punjab, the festival of Teej from Haryana, where girls get to sing and dance throughout the day as they are excused from all housework, Basant, the festival of spring. We have peacocks dancing on this tune as they talk about the Basant season. Navratri, meaning 9 nights, is an ancient and colorful festival and a beautiful dance, which is a feature of Navratri is the Dandiya Ras or stick dance. Holi is another spring festival celebrated by people who joyfully throw colored powder and water on anyone and everyone. Tamil Nadu has a rich tradition of folk music and dances that can be seen and heard on occasions of temple festivals, community functions, and harvest festivals like Pongal. And among the many different folk dances, Kummi and Kolatam are the most popular and enjoyed by everybody. We conclude our segment with a song on Ganpati. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most popular Hindu festivals, as this is the birthday of Lord Ganesha. On this day, a clay idol of Ganpati is set up and worshipped for 2 to 10 days. At the end of the festival, this idol is taken in a grand procession and immersed in the sea. In all these festivals and their dances, vibrant colors, music, and festivity make the country come alive throughout the year. And Expressions would like to invite you to glimpse and join the festivity by enjoying our presentation of festival dances. Thank you.